What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel Tech Genesis. I'm your host Nehan today, and today we'll be unboxing the Quantum Zero. That's what the company's name is. The Quantum Zero external enclosure case, which will let you convert your internal storage devices to an external hard drive. Let's get started. So as you can see, we have the blue colored QZ, the QZ box in front of us. We'll be unboxing this. We bought this for approximately like 1986 rupees from amazon.in. I'll share a link in the description below if you want to check it out. So here we are unboxing the box. It's taking time. Let's just skip this part. Let's just forward it. Okay, so the box has finally opened. We have the nice matte black finish device in front of us with the connector which will let the USB port in, the power supply and the power on and off button. Down there we have two cables. One is the actual connector for data transfer, and the other for separate power source. Yeah, that's a good thing. So you totally get these four contents including the manual with it. So there are main three contents in this box. We'll carefully slide the box, the casing out like this, and inside, as you can see, there is the SATA connector which will help you to actually connect the hard drive with this case like that. And down here we have rubber grips and like exhaust fins, what do you tell them, for air ventilation, of course. You put the connector, the transfer cable like this, with the USB on the other end, and yeah, that's simple. That was simple. And the power connector right on its right hand side. There you go. And the on off switch, yeah, of course. So here we have our hard drive with the golden pins which will place right over here like this. It's just the sliding movement which you have to do. And well, that was it. Now we'll put the enclosure over it. We'll just slide the portion into its place as we removed it. And yeah, the connection is secure, so you get a nice covering for your hard drive to stay in. Now we'll ensure that the USB is plugged in with the power connector so that it gets the energy requirements, and also turn on the on and off switch. In the PC, as you do so, you will see the hard drive popping in, and before that you may want to format the hard drive once, because you know the Windows labels all of their hard drives and assigns the particular values for the hard drive to actually use it. Otherwise you can actually perform all the operations which you would rather do in a simple external hard drive. Like here we are ejecting the hard drive and it is perfectly fine. So finally I would like to put some light upon some cool features which this case has. So first of all, it supports all the three connections, the SATA 1, the SATA 2 and the SATA 3 also. It provides 1.5 Gbps on the SATA 1, 3 Gbps on the SATA 2 and 6 Gbps on the SATA 3. The manufacturer, they say that it has got UASP support, which boosts the transfer rate of this device up to 20%. Okay, and then it has got this USB 3.0 connector. On the website they say it's 3.1. So yeah, you're basically getting high speed transfer rate. And yeah, of course, the air vents which I talked about, so you may not have issues about heating. And this case provides a nice enclosure, like it's an enclosure case, so it provides protection to the hard drive inside. The cool feature which I liked about this kind of hard drive, of course, enclosures like this ought to have external power supply. What this does is helps it to achieve what the power requirements which it needs, and it's actually beneficial for the speed transfer speed of the data which you are doing, because, well, as you know, there's a separate pin for that, so electricity will be flowing in a separate channel, whereas the data transfer will happen in a separate channel. So yeah, you can say that it may not cause traffic jams, the special word for that. Otherwise, this thing is pretty good. If you need more help about this device and want to know more about it, I have given the link of their website in the description down below. And well, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment as much as you can so I can improve on and on steadily, and well, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any further videos. And until then, adios amigos. Catch you guys in the next one.